Greetings, salutations. This is Notorious. If you haven't realized, the Bad Fox is going to read you a poem. This was entitled Sayings of Nature, Signs of Nature. And this was surprisingly a gift to my deceased grandmother. My father didn't like it that much because it had to do with death. And unfortunately, she's now deceased, so, I don't know why I'm reading it now, but shit happens, shit happens. So, this is a very simple yet very powerful poem in my mindset, which means to everybody else's, it sucks. Because again, I will never understand the fact that I think a poem's great, everybody hates it. I think a poem sucks, everybody adores it. I'm shrugging right now, you can't see. But let's go get this thing over away. This is Notorious. Let's make some eardrums. Oh, over here, a little bleepy sound, that's my Discord. As spring flows, flowers bloom, love shimmers bright, and life starts anew. As summer plays, flowers burn, joy basks in the glowing light, and life stands firm. As fall stalks, flowers weep, sorrow waltzes through all, and life prepares to sleep. As winter sings, flowers diminish, wisdom teaches all to who will listen, and life is now finished. Mm, I think that was good. That was good. So, I hope y'all enjoyed that. This is Notorious. I'm Maddie. Deuces.